Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I open a Capital One account without an SSN? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. The short answer is yes, you can open a Capital One account without an SSN. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you will need to provide some form of identification. This could be a driver's license, passport, or state-issued ID card. Second, you will need to provide proof of your address. This could be a utility bill, bank statement, or lease agreement. Third, you will need to provide a source of income. This could be a paycheck stub, tax return, or self-employment income statement. Once you have all of this information, you can apply for a Capital One account online or in person. Benefits of opening a Capital One account without an SSN. There are a few benefits to opening a Capital One account without an SSN. You can build your credit history. This is important because it will make it easier to get approved for other types of credit in the future, such as a car loan or mortgage. You can get access to a variety of banking products and services, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. You can earn rewards on your purchases. Downsides of opening a Capital One account without an SSN. There are also a few downsides to opening a Capital One account without an SSN. You may not be eligible for the best interest rates and terms. You may be limited in the amount of credit you can get. You may be required to provide additional documentation. Overall, I think that opening a Capital One account without an SSN is a good option for people who need access to banking services but don't have an SSN. If you're considering opening a Capital One account without an SSN, I recommend that you do your research and compare the different options available to you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.